In today's Exam Command Word video, we're going to look at the word compare. Let's see what you need to know when you're asked to compare something in an exam question. When you're asked to compare something in an exam question, it's wanting you to identify similarities and differences where appropriate. This could be a numerical comparison, so remember, wherever there's numbers involved, such as on a graph, make sure you use them in your answer. Let's look at an example. Using Figure 4, compare HDI values in Africa and South America. First of all, follow the first specific instruction, which is using Figure 4. Make sure you look carefully at any figure, diagram, photograph, or piece of text that a question directs you towards. Look at any key that's on the figure, because this will help you understand the map and may be critical to the answering of the question. In this case, the map is a choropleth map, indicating the HDI scores of countries across the world, from a high of more than 0.8 to a low of less than 0.5. Reread the question. It asks you to focus on the HDI values in South America and Africa. You'll get no marks for mentioning any of the other continents, so make sure your answer focuses on the continents you were asked about. Why not have a go at the question? In the exam, you'd have 4 lines, and the question is worth 2 marks. Spend no more than 2 minutes on your answer. Pause the video, and we'll look at the answers once you're done. Okay, let's look at how this question would be marked. Firstly, your responses should focus on the differences in HDI values between Africa and South America only, and should be backed up with data from the map. A good tip is to make sure you always add data to your answers when you have it given to you on a map, diagram, chart, or graph. Examiners like to see data if they've set some out for you. You should have mentioned that HDI values are generally higher in South America than in Africa. This will get you 1 mark. To get the second mark, you could either say that the vast majority of countries in South America have HDI values above 0.7, whereas most countries in Africa have HDI values below 0.6. The word whereas is a great word to use when comparing things. You could also use the word however, or even compared to make it clear that you are doing as requested and comparing the HDI values. You could have said that the highest values for HDI are in the north and south of Africa, where HDI exceeds 0.6, compared to the highest region in South America being the south, where HDI is over 0.8. If you can mention individual countries in these continents, that would also get you that extra second mark. So, make sure you look carefully at the question. Take time to look at any graph, chart, extract, or in this case, map you're given. Make sure you add data where you can, and use words like whereas, however, or compared to whenever you have a question that asks you to compare. Look out for more Exam Command Word videos to help you prepare for your exams. And if this has been useful, why not give it a like? All the best for exam success in the future.